These are the 3D Viewmaster pictures Coronation of Queen Elizabeth II World Events and Festival Series. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. Her Majesty the Queen leaves for Westminster Abbey. Picture 2. 3rd Division Sovereign's Escort. Picture 3. The State Coach passes Buckingham Palace. Picture 4. A Royal Canadian Mounted Police Detachment. Picture 5. The Golden Coach near St. James Palace. Picture 6. Her Majesty's procession arrives at Westminster Abbey. Picture 7. Queen Elizabeth II enters the Abbey. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1. Queen Elizabeth receives the golden spurs of St. George. Picture 2. The Acclamation after the crowning. Picture 3. The Duke of Kent does homage. Picture 4. Long live Queen Elizabeth, non-stereo picture. Picture 5. Foot guards in procession from Westminster Abbey. Picture 6. The bands of the Lifeguards and Royal Marines. Picture 7. The Queen's coach enters Hyde Park. Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1. The procession swings along East Carriage Drive. Picture 2. Up the Mall to Buckingham Palace. Picture 3. Past the Queen Victoria Memorial. Picture 4. The people acclaim their crowned queen. Picture 5. The royal family greets crowds from palace balcony, non-stereo picture. Picture 6. Queen Elizabeth and ladies in waiting. Picture 7. The Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.